Okay, so here's what I've got. I'm out here in the dark. I'm using my Woodcraft flashlight, battery powered. I'm just hanging it over a Rockler universal clamp. This is a 123 block off Amazon with, I can't remember if it's 21 holes or something like that. I'm using it and I'm doing the thing where what I need to do is just trim off this. You can see it's already cut this way. I just need to knock that part off. And so what I'm doing is I'm butting it up against the block, I'm running it over the saw, and as you can see, it's leaving all these wedges, which I need to clear out of here. What it does is if you ran this along the fence and it jammed up, it would have a pretty good chance of maybe breaking a finger if you're hanging onto it and throw the stick up in your face. So this allows the cutoffs, the drop-offs and everything. It gives it a place to go and collect so you can cut for a while non-stop and then just pause and do a bunch of cleanup.